Now, if you're selling and you've been accepted onto Merch by Amazon platform, it is pretty much the easiest way to go. You can upload designs and you can have your listing up within minutes. Now, instead of waiting around until you get accepted onto the Merch by Amazon platform, you can start selling with the help of websites like PRINTFUL and Shopify. To get this process rolling, you need to have a pro seller account, and there'll be links down below explaining the whole process. So there are a few tools out there to help you research products on Amazon. We're going to be speaking mostly about two products today, and it's going to be Merch Informer and AMZ Scout. I've done the research to look for tools. Overall, I've seen that AMZ Scout has really great reviews. You can go on YouTube and look for these reviews, and you'll see most of the people have really good comments, even over their competition. Now, what I believe this would be a good pick is because if you have a Amazon seller account, you can basically sell in any of these marketplaces. So you can pick the marketplace you want to focus on. Now, most people will be focusing on the USA marketplace, so we'll just leave that there. And let's go to product database. Now, you can use AMZ either to validate your idea, see that actually people are buying the type of t-shirts you want to make, or you can just look at your competition and see what kind of designs they're doing and what's selling pretty well with them. So I'm just gonna put horse t-shirt. So when I type that in, it'll organize it by rank right here, you can see, and then we can see that people are actually buying horse t-shirts. So now we're just gonna look at some keywords to either optimize our listing, or if we decide to do some ads, we can have an idea of roughly what keywords are being searched the most and what we should include in our listings. As well, you can also get some design ideas in exploring the keywords. So we're on Amazon.com. We're gonna go for horse again. So we got our results. We'll go into the extension right here, the AMZ Scout Pro extension. Have a click at that. What I usually look at is the price, which gives me an idea of roughly how much I could price at in that particular niche, and as well as the potential score. So organizing it by the rank will show us what are the actual more popular designs. All right, so let's have a look at Merch Informer. Now, Merch Informer specifically for the Merch by Amazon platform. So if you are on the Merch by Amazon platform, I would suggest for you to get this research tool. So here we are at the dashboard. Now, there are a lot of options. I'm going to be highlighting the things that I think are important and you should definitely check out. So the first place most people go to is Merch Hunter. So Merch Hunter basically ranks the t-shirts by bestseller. So I'll go the top 1,000 from 1 to 100,000 rank. And all this is going to be just Merch by Amazon t-shirts. So just like AMZ Scout, it'll give us an average price, what was the lowest, highest, average BSR. Now right here, it also has some keywords that are found in all these listings that I pulled out. So let's go into the niche we're interested. We'll go for horse again, and we'll see what kind of results we get. So here we have really good information about the top selling horse related t-shirt on the Merch by Amazon platform. We'll have the features, so what it's using in the bulletin points, it's using a description, and then right over here we can favorite it. So if we want to kind of pretty much save it, look at the pricing in history. So let's click that. So with this tool right here, we could see that the pricing changes throughout time as well as the sale rank throughout time. Another thing you can do is check Trademark. It'll push you to Trademark here, and here you can actually see if this word is trademarked. Usually what I would put is, when looking up trademarks, you're not gonna find this whole phrase, but you have to look at certain words that might be trademarked. So let's say Derby de Mayo. So it seems someone's trying to get this phrase trademarked. So that's a great tool to have. Another one is to report infringement. So if you see that this was your design and they copied it, clicking that, it'll send you the page where you can actually report the infringement. All right, so let's move along. We're gonna go to Advanced Competition Checker. So previously I looked for the word sloth. I found 1,539 t-shirts with this word. I had some brands with the word, and then it would show me some of the best-selling sloth t-shirts. Now what this does is basically kind of gives you a score if it's a good niche to attack or not. If you get an A, basically there's a decent amount of people searching for it, but there's not that much competition. So it's something you can definitely jump into. Now let's go into the keyword finder. I would just look for a horse, how I did as well on the AMZ Scout, and see what kind of results we get. So these are some keywords you can use in your listing, similar to what I was showing AMZ Scouts. Now I can also save them. I can look to see if there's any products related to that. So if I click that, it'll show me if there's anything with a horse with a bow tie, I guess, or with the keywords in the bow. But yeah, the horse with the bow. This is another area you would definitely want to click. So let's say you're interested in designing a horse with bow ties or something similar to this. So I've pressed details, and it's okay. Search term. Competition score is A because there's not that many t-shirts related to this particular phrase, and the trademark is good to go. So this could be something you could tackle. So this is the trademark alert. So you can store trademarks that you've searched for. So now I'm going to show one last thing, and it's fairly something new that just got included into Merch Informer, and it's the Trend Hunter Movers and Shakers. So these are basically the t-shirts that are trending at the moment. So the ones that I just picked up in sales, and it's just a great idea to come look and see what might be trending right now. So if you're in the Merch by Amazon platform, definitely go check out Merch Informer. Now, if you are already Amazon seller, thinking of doing private label, and now you want to get on print on demand, you definitely should check out AMZ Scout. Definitely will help you in more in that area, as well as be able to reach more markets. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so in the future, we're just going to be talking about print on demand and trying to find you other tools to help you be successful. Until then, peace.